Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology 4th chapter ecosystem. In this class we learn components of an ecosystem. There are two types of components. First one is the living components. Living components are also called biotic components. For example, plants and animals or microorganisms are called the biotic components. Second one is non-living components. It is also called abiotic components. Sunlight, air, water, warmth, soil are called abiotic component. In this class, we learn biotic components. What is the meaning of biotic components and how many stages is there? There are living components of ecosystem consists of following food levels. In the previous class, we learned producers and autotrophs and plant eating animals, herbivores, carnivores. So same type of the food levels, but here it is the 4 levels. First one is trophic level 1, trophic level 2, trophic level 3, trophic level 4. These are all food levels. First one, trophic level 1. Trophic level 1, green plants. What is green plants? Green plants is autotrophs. So it consists of trees, bushes, grass, etc. This is the starting point of the food chain in all life in an ecosystem. They produce food their own. So it is called autotrophs. Auto means own or self. So, troph means food. So autotrophs are self-food producers. These are all called trophic level 1. All the other different food levels. All the other food levels means trophic level 2, trophic level 3, trophic level 4. These are other food levels are depend on the autotrophs for the food. So all the other different food levels next to the autotrophs are commonly called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means depend on the green plants or autotrophs, or differently nourished or depend on the plants for food and not prepared food by their own. Here there are two definitions: autotrophs, heterotrophs. Autotrophs means they prepared their own food. Example, green plants. Heterotrophs means they didn't prepare their food by own. So they depend on plants. So it is called heterotrophs. Autotrophs example, green plants. They prepare their own food. Heterotrophs example is these three: herbivores, carnivores, flesh-eating animals are also heterotrophs. Next level, trophic level 2. Trophic level 2 means herbivores, plant-eating animals, and also called herbivores. There are a large varieties of animals like deer, rabbits, rats, pigeons, parrots, grasshoppers, bees, etc. These are all examples of the herbivores. They eat plants or suck the plant pods like fruits and seeds, flowers, etc. and suck the sap from leaves or stem. So these are plant eating herbivores. Next one, what is the meaning of producers? What is the meaning of producers? Producers means green plants are producers. What is the meaning of consumers? Consumers means the plant eating animals are consumers and they are primary consumers because they are the forest direct plant eaters. Next, third one, trophic level 3. This is flesh eating animals or meat eating animals. It is called carnivores. These are the animals which capture their food and eat. They eat the primary consumers. Example, tigers, wolves, snakes, lizards, birds, etc. So this is the trophic level 3. Next, fourth one, trophic level 4. Second rank flesh eaters. This is first rank flesh eaters. This is second rank flesh eaters. Peacock is the good example of this level. Here we learn with the example of this food chain. First, plants, producers, trophic level 1. Rat, primary consumer. Snake, secondary consumer. Peacock, tertiary consumer. Trophic level 1, trophic level 2, trophic level 3, trophic level 4. This is the 4 levels of the food chain. Next, besides the above 4 food chain levels, there is yet another category of organisms that feed on the dead material of the organisms occupying the above 4 trophic levels. These are divided into 3 types. In previous class we learned dead animal, dead material. After the dead material, what happens? What happens means these 3 types of organisms are break down the dead material and mix in the soil. What is the 3 organisms? Scavengers, detritivores, decomposers. First of all, scavengers. Scavengers means these are feed on dead animal and plant material. Example, vultures, kites, crows, some insects, etc. These are scavengers. These are feed on dead animals and plant material also. Next one is detritivores and decomposers. Consume the remaining left by the scavengers. So what is the remaining dead material left by the scavengers? The detritivores and decomposers consume it. Next one, second one, detritivores means example, earthworms, millipedes, slugs, etc. feed on the detritus of decomposing plant and animal parts. Third one, decomposers. These are obtain nutrition by absorbing nutrients that result from the breaking down of dead organic matter. Example, bacteria, fungi, protists, and they are unable to ingest dead material directly. The leaving of dead material from for example, the tiger killed the deer and eat some flesh and it remains dead material. What happens? First of all, the scavengers are eat, and other than the dead material is break down by the decomposers. Why? Because directly the dead material is not digest the decomposers. So this is the point. The bacteria, fungi, protists, and they are unable to ingest dead material directly. So this is the last step to break down the dead material, and it is very useful to the increasing of the nutrient strength to the soil. So whenever the soil nutrient strength is increased, it will help to the plant growth. So this is the biotic components levels, 4 types of levels. Next class we can learn abiotic components. Thank you everyone. Please comment, share and subscribe to my channel.